James McDonald, and I moved here from beautiful Maui. What used to be beautiful anyway, before these so-called wildfires erased my entire community and town. So I came here looking for a new life, trying to get something started. I love Maui. Got my family there, friends, but I choose freedom over all else. So came here to Las Vegas trying to start something. You know, I'm a professional chef, I'm a damn good one. And was not having any luck. Had a friend that came out here with me, and she couldn't handle it, so she took off, went back to Maui. So I'm on the street, fighting for my own, and you know, sleeping. Just had a triple homicide here 2 days ago, right over there. You know, I've been dealing with food poisoning for 4 days, lost 11 pounds in 4 days. Ended up in the hospital dehydrated yesterday. Had a crazy man burn my Bible up. Some wacko Haitian voodoo guy. I've had my share of crap here, and that's just since Christmas. I don't know, we'll see. It's God's plan, not mine. I'm just following. I'm just asking Him to keep me safe, you know, on my journey. And I hope nobody ever ends up in this cesspool, in this literal cesspool, because it's dirty and it's nasty. And such a fine line between the money of Vegas and the glitz and the fabulous, and then my brothers and sisters out here struggling every single day. More people need to understand that circumstances can dictate a lot of things in your life that you don't expect. So, now on that note, I'll just say God bless everybody out there. Stay safe. It's God's plan, not ours. And I'll race you to Jesus. Thank you.